Welcome to this lecture. My name is Mark Scythian. The date today is August 16, 2026. So in this lecture, we are going to cover how to calculate an automobile's top speed. So in this case, we are dealing with the 2024 Buick Enclave, and in this case with the Avenir Trim four-wheel drive. So we can access the vehicle specifications, then add a few additional details, such as the maximum horsepower includes the engine's parasitic load loss, the power loss to not just keep the engine running, which is the brake thermal efficiency, but also the power loss to drive the alternator, water pump, oil pump, etc. And so after excluding the parasitic load loss for the engine, in this case the dynamometer registers 310 horsepower at 6,800 RPM. So we have this under control as a certified specification. And then we have an additional 11% transmission load loss taken from the maximum available horsepower. So we actually have 276 horsepower to work with. So we can then evaluate what is going to oppose the inertia of the automobile. And other than the power loss to keep the engine running, which is the output brake power, we have when the car moves into motion under a load, the power loss to overcome aerodynamic drag in the left, and the power loss to overcome tire rolling resistance on the right. So if we evaluate both equations and make their unit output horsepower, we can then equal the sum of these two equations to the available power of 276 horsepower. So upon doing so, if you work out this equation, you will calculate the vehicle's top speed as 155 miles per hour, because that is equal to 227.33 feet per second. So we substitute, evaluate, and then compute the final horsepower lost to overcome these two forces opposing the vehicle's inertia. If we were to go to 156 miles per hour, we will then exceed 276 horsepower. So this vehicle's top speed is 155 miles per hour. This method can be used to calculate the top speed of any other automobile out there once you've acquired the OEM specifications.